So I'm Bobby Jacobs with Robert Jacobs Excavating. We do many different projects, but we just started getting into the crushing. We bought the GT440 off of Columbus Equipment. We got hooked up with Columbus Equipment through our 165 dirt screener. We did a project for a landfill cell, and they came to us with the GT440, and it worked out great. The support was great. They gave us everything we needed, everything. And Jesse Garber, Josh Lovett, Dan Lagergan, they've been great with just basically introducing us to this new world. They have everything we need. They've got the onboard screener. We were going to use the 165 and crush with the 440 into the 165, but instead we got the onboard screener. So that cut down on fuel, hydraulic lines, maintenance on a whole nother machine. It brought everything together in one, and the project's been absolutely fantastic. The crusher with the screens is able to make that product that we need. It's a very fine product, and it can't have the rocks in it. And the machine is done absolutely wonderful. We're getting anywhere from 180 to 200 yards an hour, or tons rather, an hour with this machine. And we've got 3 stackers running and everything. The belts stay full, so life is good. Well, with the blow bars and everything that that Columbus Equipment has set up for us with the machine, it makes it pretty cut and dry. You can do your inspections, check your spacings, and the machine just kind of, once it got set up and ready, which wasn't that long of a process, it just took off, and it's been doing its job very well. And everything's making spec. We have to be at 50.1, and the last test the other day was 60.9, I think. So it's exceeding all expectations, and once it goes through the crusher and it goes on the stackers, then a whole nother world of problems start, you know, with the testing and everything. But so far, everything has been fantastic. If you look at it per ton, I think we're saving around $1.80 a ton. With the fuel prices nowadays, you have to do everything you can. We can run one of these stackers for 2 days on 30 gallons of fuel. So you come out with a bulldozer and you're burning 110 gallons of fuel a day. It's quite the savings. And then they helped incorporate all that. They had all the stackers that we needed right at our disposal. Brought them in and then went to work. So it went very well. So the more equipment you can take out of the equation, and the less fuel and the less wear and tear you have, the lower that you can get that number, because you don't have to account for an operator, maintenance, fuel. And in doing that, that was a big part of the onboard screener. Being able to take a whole nother motor, an undercarriage, belts, probably 1,000 hydraulic lines, a whole new set of screens, you know, a 5x18 screen box. It's an astronomical savings by not having to run that machine, because all you have is a little screen box on the discharge side that's doing it all for you. So knowing what we know now, we've been working with Columbus Equipment for probably 2.5 years, and we've never had a problem. You don't worry nearly as much when you bid a job and you tell the customer you can get it done for you, when you know Columbus Equipment is going to help you get it done.